John just dropped us off about maybe an hour ago onto the track to Madura. Instead of going way back up to the highway, he said it'd be much better if we took a fork in the road and missed out the highway, missed out the road trains, and just, you know, took the quiet track, which so far has been pretty hellish, but the track just cleared up and now it's pretty nice, it's cyclable. So anyway, we've just stopped to have lunch. It's about getting close to 2 in the ruins of Burn Abbey. I wish I knew something about the history of this place. I don't really know much about it other than it's kind of knackered, but it looks cool. You know anything about it, Bonnie?
I think so I'm eating a pear. I think the original caretakers for Eyre Bird Station, Bird Observatory, lived here.
Oh, okay.
I believe so.
Is that the grave we found on the wall?
Yeah, the Graham family.
Okay, so the Graham family who they lived here. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, anyway, so we're going to have some lunch and then potter on. I think it's going to be a hard couple of days out here wild camping, as you can see from my rather fetching headwear.
Or veils.
What a day. Another tough day. Yeah, that track was alright. It wasn't as bad as yesterday, but we've still got another 35 miles to do until Madura. It's actually been pretty magical. I don't know if we mentioned it, but the Bird Observatory is actually housed within the old telegraph station of the area. So I think the line ran from there all the way north to Kalgoorlie, and another line ran all the way to Madura. So we've spent all day following the telegraph poles, like these old metal rusty things, and the old telegraph line is just lying on the ground. It's like every now and again you run over it, it crisscrosses the path a few times. And yeah, it's been a pretty nice day. Alright, so last night was crazy. We decided to set up the tent without the fly sheet on because it was such a nice night. We thought we'd sleep under the stars. And within an hour of doing that, it started raining. So I had to scramble out of bed, put the fly sheet on, and then go back to bed. But once we did that, a couple hours later, the wind kicked up and I thought the tent was going to take off. I had to scramble out the tent again, gather up all our stuff, anything that might blow away. I had to put heavy stuff on top of. Yeah, it was a bit of an intense night, really. And now, as you can see, the flies. Anyway, onwards to Madura.